Have you noticed lately that certain everyday things just feel a bit harder than they used to? Maybe the staircase in your home suddenly feels longer. Maybe your legs tire faster when you're out grocery shopping, or your arms get shaky after lifting something that never used to be a problem. You pause for a moment wondering when exactly that shift happened, because it wasn't all at once. It crept in quietly. The truth is, this isn't just about aging. And it's definitely not because you're lazy. In fact, many older adults are eating balanced meals, going for daily walks, and trying their best to stay active, yet they're still losing muscle, still feeling weaker, still waking up with less energy than they had just a few years ago. That's because muscle loss with age, known as sarcopenia, isn't just about how much you move, it's also about what you fuel your body with. See, most people focus on exercise or supplements when they start feeling physically weaker, but the bigger picture often begins at the dinner table. If you're not eating the right kinds of foods, the kinds that actively support muscle strength, bone integrity, and circulation, you might be doing everything right, but still getting weaker by the week. The good news, some everyday foods, ones you can find right in your kitchen or at the local market, have been quietly shown by science to make a real difference. Not miracle cures, not expensive trends, just simple, powerful nutrition that helps keep your muscles strong, your balance steady, and your independence fully yours. So today, we're diving into 7 real foods that may help slow down muscle loss, support your joints, and keep you on your feet, literally. These foods aren't exotic or hard to prepare. They're practical, proven, and most importantly, they work with your body, not against it. If you care about staying mobile, independent, and active as you age, this might just be the most important list you'll hear today. Before we dive in, if staying strong and independent as you age matters to you, go ahead and tap that like button. And don't forget to hit subscribe, that way you'll never miss another helpful tip on how to feel your best after 60. Let's begin with number 7, lentils. They may not look like much at first glance, but these tiny legumes have a quiet power that can gently rebuild muscle. Especially in older adults, lentils are one of the most affordable and accessible plant-based proteins. They're low in fat, high in fiber, and rich in nutrients like iron, folate, and magnesium, all of which play key roles in delivering oxygen and energy to your muscles. When your muscle cells get what they need, they stay stronger for longer. Unlike some other legumes, lentils are easy on the stomach. They cook quickly, soften easily, and can even be blended into smooth soups, perfect for those with dental issues. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. Whether you're eating vegetarian or prefer meals with meat, lentils pair beautifully with both. Adding lentils to your routine is simple. Try a warm lentil carrot soup on chilly evenings, toss them into a salad with olive oil and steamed spinach, or mix with shredded chicken for a soft, satisfying bowl. Sometimes the most unassuming foods offer the biggest benefits. In the case of lentils, one small bowl can quietly support the strength your legs depend on every day. Holding the number 5 spot is salmon, a delicious ally in rebuilding strength and improving circulation. This tender, flavorful fish is one of nature's richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids, the kind of fat your body actually loves. These healthy fats calm down inflammation, ease joint discomfort, and keep your blood flowing freely to your arms and legs. A huge plus if you've been feeling stiff or tired after just a short walk. Beyond that, salmon offers high-quality protein to repair and maintain muscle mass, along with vitamin D and B12 for strong bones and better nerve signals. It even packs selenium, a trace mineral that supports immune function and helps your muscles recover faster. We know some older adults avoid fish because of its fishy taste, but here's a gentle trick. Bake it with a squeeze of lemon and a drizzle of honey. The result, a light, clean flavor that's both comforting and easy on the palate. You can enjoy salmon grilled, pan-seared, or oven-roasted with a side of steamed greens or fluffy quinoa. However you prepare it, each bite helps your muscles stay active and resilient, and your body more prepared for whatever the day brings. At number 4, eggs, nature's compact powerhouse, wrapped in a simple shell. Don't let their humble size fool you. Each egg is packed with complete protein, offering all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild and preserve muscle. For seniors, that means more strength for everyday tasks and faster recovery after movement. But eggs do more than just feed your muscles. They're a rich source of vitamin D and B12, both essential for keeping your bones strong and your nerves sharp. And let's not forget choline, a lesser-known nutrient that helps maintain brain-muscle connection, keeping your steps steady and your coordination sharp. What makes eggs so beloved is how accessible they are. They're affordable, easy to cook, and endlessly versatile ideal. Whether you live alone with family or in a retirement community, boil them for breakfast, scramble them with herbs, toss chopped eggs into a salad, or stir one into your favorite soup. However you enjoy them, eggs deliver dependable nourishment that supports your independence and vitality, one meal at a time. Coming in at number 3, spinach, the leafy green that quietly powers your muscles. This unassuming vegetable delivers a surprising punch of nutrition. It's rich in magnesium, iron, and vitamins, K, A, and C, all crucial for keeping your blood flowing smoothly, your joints moving easily, and your muscles recovering better after activity. As we age, even gentle movement can lead to soreness if circulation slows or inflammation builds up. Spinach helps address both. Magnesium eases muscle cramps, iron supports, oxygen delivery to tissues, and vitamin C calms inflammation naturally. Better yet, spinach is easy on digestion and mild in taste, a gentle fit for sensitive stomachs or changing appetites. You don't need to chew much, and with a quick steam or blend, it softens beautifully. You can sauté it with garlic for a comforting side dish, stir it into soups, or blend it into a smoothie with banana and chia seeds for a cool, nutritious boost. However you enjoy it, spinach helps your body move with more ease and less effort, one green leaf at a time. Sliding into number 2 is a quiet hero. Cottage cheese, the creamy snack that helps your muscles rest and rebuild. What makes cottage cheese special is its high casein protein content, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles over several hours, especially while you sleep. This means your body gets the steady fuel it needs to repair and preserve muscle even during the night. It's also a great source of calcium and phosphorus, 2 minerals essential for keeping your bones strong and your muscles working together smoothly. And compared to other cheeses, it's easier to digest and naturally lower in fat, a win for aging, digestion, and heart health. For older adults, cottage cheese checks all the right boxes. It's soft, gentle on the stomach, and doesn't require much chewing. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it sweet or savory for breakfast snack or a light evening meal. Try it with fresh berries or sliced pear for a refreshing mid-morning bite. In the evening, mix it with cinnamon and crushed walnuts for a relaxing, protein-rich snack. Or use it in place of sour cream with baked potatoes or whole-grain toast. It may not shout for attention on your plate, but cottage cheese quietly supports your strength. One creamy spoonful at a time. And at number 1, we've got the humble but powerful chicken breast. Simple, lean, and incredibly effective for preserving muscle strength as we age. Chicken breast is one of the best sources of complete protein. Each serving delivers all the essential amino acids your body needs to repair and build lean muscle without the heaviness or saturated fats found in red meat. That makes it especially helpful for seniors who want to stay strong but avoid digestive discomfort. But protein isn't the only benefit here. Chicken breast is rich in vitamin B6 and niacin nutrients that support energy production, help convert food into fuel, and protect your nerves and muscles from age-related decline. It also offers selenium, a trace mineral that plays a quiet yet vital role in cellular repair and immune strength. What makes chicken breast even more valuable? It's gentle on digestion, soft enough to chew easily, and incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Seniors often find it easier to eat than red meat, with none of the bloating or heaviness afterward. Try it shredded into a bowl of warm rice and steamed vegetables baked with a touch of olive oil and herbs, or sliced into a fresh salad. However you enjoy it, this golden protein helps your muscles recover your energy rebound and your body feel lighter, bite after bite. So here's the truth. You don't need a strict diet or fancy supplements to stay strong as you age. What you need is a bit of intention and the wisdom to choose foods that work with your body, not against it. Each of the 9 foods we talked about today offers more than just nutrients. They're gentle allies that quietly protect your muscles, joints, and independence day by day. Remember this: every bite is a chance to care for your strength, your stability, and your spirit. You've worked hard to build your life, and your body deserves the same thoughtful care. Eating well in your 60s and beyond isn't about restriction. It's about choosing foods that make you feel capable, balanced, and energized in ways fad diets never could. So tell us, which of these foods do you already enjoy, or which one will you try next? Leave a comment below, and let's build a community of strong, empowered seniors. And if this video helped you or reminded you of someone you care about, hit the like button and share it with them. Because health is better when it's shared, and strength, it's something we can rebuild together, one thoughtful meal at a time.